अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप खैरियत से होंगे। ये आपकी है आज का पार्ट 5 वीडियो। इसके अंदर 300 तकरीबन हम एमसीक्यूज कवर करेंगे। फर्स्ट पार्ट के अंदर 100 एमसीक्यूज जो हैं वो रिलेटेड टू माइलस्टोन्स हैं और कुछ बीमारियां जो बच्चों की होती हैं उससे रिलेटेड हैं। और फिर मैं आपको स्पेशल एजुकेशन के कुछ क्वेश्चन दूंगी और फिर कुछ मोड्स जो हमारे सर्विसेज के मॉडल्स हैं उसके ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चन दूंगी। ये हमारी जो है आज के मतलब इस पूरे पार्ट के जो मैंने आपको सीरीज स्टार्ट की थी उसकी लास्ट वीडियो है। इसके बाद इंशाल्लाह मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगी मैं आपको कुछ गेस्ट पेपर दे सकूं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। इन व्हाट डायरेक्शन डज मोटर डेवलपमेंट टिपिकली प्रोग्रेस? जो मोटर डेवलपमेंट है वो किस डायरेक्शन में प्रोग्रेस करती है? लाइक हेड टू टो टू हेड, किस डायरेक्शन में करती है? मैंने आपको गेस्ट भी दे दिया है। कॉडल और सिफेलिक का वर्ड इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। सिफेलिक टू कॉडल जो होती है यानी हेड से टो की तरफ करती है। प्रॉक्सिमल टू डिस्टल करती है, ये आपने याद रखना है। सिफेलिक हेड के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं हम और कॉडल हम मतलब टो के लिए इस्तेमाल या फिर दूर के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, डिस्टल पार्ट के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तो कोर टू लिम, ये भी याद रखिएगा कि कोर से हम लिम की तरफ जाते हैं या सिफेलिक टू कॉडल जाते हैं, प्रॉक्सिमल से डिस्टल जाते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, what pattern describes the refinement of motor skills over time? क्या पैटर्न डिस्क्राइब करता है कि रिफाइनमेंट हो रही है मोटर स्किल्स की ओवर टाइम? करेक्ट आंसर है फ्रॉम मैस रिफ्लेक्सिव मूवमेंट्स टू स्पेसिफिक गोल ओरिएंटेड वॉलंटरी एक्शन। यानी एक रिफ्लेक्सिव मूवमेंट से एक बहुत जनरलाइज्ड मूवमेंट से स्पेसिफिक फाइन मूवमेंट्स जो होती हैं और गोल ओरिएंटेड वॉलंटरी एक्शंस डेवलप हो रहे होते हैं। Question number 3, what is the difference between developmental screening and developmental surveillance? वीडियो की स्पीड ज्यादा लगे तो आप बेशक स्लो करके इसको देख सकते हैं। सर्वेलेंस इज अ कॉन्टिन्यूअस इनफॉर्मल प्रोसेस एट एवरी विजिट। यानी सर्वेलेंस का मतलब होता है ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं और हम मुसलसल ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं। एक इनफॉर्मल प्रोसेस होता है हर विजिट पे। वाइल स्क्रीनिंग यूटिलाइजेस, स्क्रीनिंग के अंदर एक फॉर्मल स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड टूल्स होते हैं और इसके अंदर एक इंटरवल्स भी होते हैं स्पेसिफिक। स्क्रीनिंग और सर्वेलेंस याद रखने आपने। Question number 4, what muscle group must develop control first before a child can achieve independent sitting? कौन सी मसल जो होनी चाहिए, मसल ग्रुप जो है वो डेवलप होना चाहिए इससे पहले कि बच्चा इंडिपेंडेंटली बैठ सके? करेक्ट आंसर है नेक्स्ट के एक्सटेंसर्स और अपर ट्रंक के फ्लेक्सर एक्सटेंसर्स वो डेवलप होंगे तो बच्चा इंडिपेंडेंटली बैठ सकेगा। इसमें अगर आपके पास नेक एक्सटेंसर्स खाली ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है तो आपने वो प्रेफर करना है कि नेक के एक्सटेंसर्स जो है वो डेवलप होने चाहिए। Which type of feedback is most critical for an infant learning early motor pathways? Proprioceptive and tactile feedback. At what age is a child expected to lift their head to 45 degree while in a prone position? ये एज में मंथ आएंगे किस मंथ में? यानी कि जिस तरह बच्चे की एज क्या होनी चाहिए जब चाइल्ड से एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि 45 डिग्री तक अपनी गर्दन को उठा लेगा प्रोन पोजीशन में? इट्स 2 मंथ्स के अंदर बच्चे को उठा लेना चाहिए। By what age should a child achieve complete head lag elimination during a pull to sit test? ये चौथे मंथ के अंदर हो जाना चाहिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, एट व्हाट एज डज एन इन्फेंट टिपिकली बिगिन रोलिंग फ्रॉम प्रोन टू सुपाइन? ये 4 to 5 मंथ्स में हो जाना चाहिए। What is the milestone age for independent sitting without hand support? It is 6 months. At what age does pivot prone position, the Superman extension posture emerge? बच्चे के अंदर सुपरमैन एक्सटेंशन पोस्चर कब emerge होता है? It's 5 months. By what month does an infant typically begin creeping on hands and knees? जिसे आप रींगना कहते हैं। It's 8 to 9 months. What is expected age for a child to pull themselves up to a standing position at furniture? यानी फर्नीचर का किसी चीज का पकड़ के सहारा लेके खड़े होना। इट्स 9 मंथ्स। एट व्हाट एज डज इंडिपेंडेंट एंड अनअसिस्टेड वॉकिंग टिपिकली इमर्ज? यानी इसमें कोई सहारा नहीं है, इंडिपेंडेंट वॉकिंग कब स्टार्ट होगी? इट्स 12 to 15 मंथ्स या अप टू 18 मंथ्स भी हो सकता है। एट व्हाट एज कैन अ टोडलर वॉक बैकवर्ड इंडिपेंडेंटली? कौन सी ऐसी एज में कि वो पीछे कदम आसानी से रख सकता है टोडलर? विदाउट एनी असिस्टेंस, ये 15 से 18 मंथ्स है. By what age can a child run well without falling and kick a stationary ball? It is 24 months, that is 2 years. At what age can a child pedal a tricycle and ascend stairs alternating feet? It's 3 years, 36 months. At what age can a child hop on one foot and descend stairs alternating feet? It's 4 years, 48 months. By what age can a child skip using alternating feet? That is 5 years. At what age does the voluntary palmar grasp reflex fully give way to a voluntary grasp? It is 4 to 5 months. At what age does a neat, isolated index finger to thumb pincer grasp develop in a child? It is 10 to 12 months, which reflex is elicited by dropping the infant's head backward, causing arm abduction, extension, followed by adduction and flexion. ये reflex का नाम बताना है आपने. It is Moro reflex. What is the typical integration window for the Moro reflex? कब तक रहता है ये Moro reflex? It is 3 to 4 months. A persistent motor reflex beyond 6 months indicate damage to which nervous system component. अगर 6 महीने से ज़्यादा आपका motor reflex रह रहा है तो nervous system का कौन सा part damage होगा? It is upper motor neuron lesion या फिर central nervous system delay हो सकता है. Turning an infant's head to one side causes extension of the ipsilateral limbs and flexion of contralateral limbs. What is this reflex called? Ipsilateral same side, contralateral opposite side. It is called asymmetric tonic neck reflex, ATNR. What functional milestone is severely disrupted if the ATNR fails to integrate by 6 months? It is rolling. Hand to mouth coordination and middle line tracking जो होती है वो फेल हो जाती है अगर ये आपका milestone severely disrupt हो जाए. Question number 26. Which reflex causes upper extremity extension and lower extremity flexion when the neck is extended? It is symmetric tonic neck reflex, STNR. What mobility milestone is impossible to perform correctly if the STNR does not integrate? It is reciprocal creeping on hands and knees. Child will bunny hop. Question number 28. In what position must an infant be replaced to test the positive supporting reaction? It is the vertical suspension with the soles of feet touching a flat surface. Question number 29. What spinal reflex is tested by stroking the paravertebral skin from the thorax to the sacrum causing lateral trunk flexion? It's Gallant reflex. Question number 30. Persistent retention of the Gallant reflex is often clinically correlated with what childhood condition? अगर Gallant reflex रह रहा है तो कौन सी ये condition है? It is spastic CP or lateral hypermobility या bedwetting. Which primitive reflex is triggered by placing pressure on the ball of the infant's foot? It's plantar grasp reflex, which integrates by 9 to 12 months. Question number 32. What protective reaction emerges at 6 months to prevent a child from falling sideways? It is lateral protective extension या parachute reaction. Which protective response is the last to develop, appearing around 10 to 12 months? It is backward protective extension. What automatic reaction maintains the head in a vertical position relative to gravity when the body is tilted? It is labyrinthine rightening reflex. The Lendo reaction, which is extension of head, trunk, and extremities when suspended, this reaction peaks at what age? It's 6 months. Failure to achieve head control by which month is considered a red flag? It is 4 months. Inability to sit independently by which month warrants immediate referral? It is 9 months. Not walking independently by which month is a red flag for a delay? It is 18 months. What does a strong hand preference before 12 months usually indicate? Contralateral hemiplegic CP or localized weakness indicate करता है. What is a major motor red flag at 6 months regarding lower limbs? It is persistent seizuring posture or extension stiffness. Question 41. What is the most common clinical classification of CP? It's spastic CP. 70 to 80% cases इसी के होते हैं. Damage to which area results in spastic CP? It's motor cortex or pyramidal tracts. Ethetoid or dyskinetic CP is primarily caused by lesion in which structure? It's basal ganglia. What type of muscle tone characterizes ethetoid CP? It's fluctuating muscle tone with involuntary writhing movements. Ataxic CP is associated with damage to which brain part? It is cerebellum. What gait pattern is observed in ataxic CP? It's wide-based, unsteady, staggering gait. What does the diplegic mean in pediatric physiotherapy? All 4 limbs involved, but lower limbs significantly more affected. Di means 2. Which reflex causes the seizuring gait in spastic diplegia? It's positive supporting reflex या overreactive adductor spasticity. What deformity is likely in the ankles of a child with spastic diplegia? It is equinus deformity, shortened gastrosoleus. What test grades the severity of spasticity in pediatric conditions? Test का नाम बताना है आपने. It is modified Ashworth scale (MAS). What system groups cross motor function in CP into 5 levels? कौन सा सिस्टम है ग्रुप करेगा GMF को CP के अंदर 5 लेवल के अंदर? It is gross motor function classification system. A child classified as GMFCS level 1 can do what? Walk indoors, outdoors, climb stairs without railing, run, jump, limited speed. A child classified as GMFCS level 5 requires what mobility assistance? Transported in a manual wheelchair, no independent mobility. ग्रेड 1 का बच्चा इंडिपेंडेंटली मूव कर रहा था, स्पीड लिमिटेड थी, लेकिन ग्रेड 5 में हमें इंडिपेंडेंट मोबिलिटी नहीं मिलती और मैनुअल व्हीलचेयर का इस्तेमाल होता है. 54. What drug is injected locally for focal spasticity in CP? It is botulinum toxin type A, Botox, botulinum toxin type A. 55 question, what surgery cut sensory nerve rootlets to reduce limb spasticity? It is selective dorsal rhizotomy, SDR. What genetic mutation causes Down syndrome? It is trisomy 21. What is the primary MSK impairment, musculoskeletal impairment in infants with Down syndrome? It is generalized muscle hypotonia and joint hypermobility. What instability must be ruled out before sports in Down syndrome? It is atlantoaxial instability, AAI. Which spinal defect involves failure of arches to fuse without protrusion? It is spina bifida occulta. What is myelomeningeal? It is protrusion of both spinal cord and meninges through vertebral defect. What secondary CNS condition occurs in 80 to 90% of myelomeningeal cases? It is hydrocephalus, which requires VP shunt. What are signs of life-threatening VP shunt malfunction? It is vomiting, headache, irritability, setting sun eyes, motor deterioration. Question 63. What is the prognosis for thoracic level myelomeningocele? It is non-ambulatory व्हीलचेयर रिलायंस यानी कि पेशेंट को व्हीलचेयर पर रिलाई करना पड़ेगा, मूवमेंट नहीं होगी. Myelomeningocele at L4 L5 level preserves what key function? Knee extension allowing ambulation with AFO ankle foot orthosis के साथ ambulation possible है और knee extension भी होगी. What genetic condition lacks dystrophin protein leading to muscle wasting? It is DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Question 66. What is the inheritance pattern of DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy? It is X-linked recessive. What classic sign involves a child using hands to climb up their legs? It is Gower's sign. Pseudohypertrophy in DMD most commonly affects which muscle? Duchenne muscular dystrophy. It's gastrocnemius calf muscles. At what age do boys with DMD typically lose independent ambulation? It is 9 to 12 years. What type of exercise should be avoided in children with DMD? It is high resistance exercises, eccentric strengthening exercises, these should be avoided. What condition is caused by SCM sternocleidomastoid muscle contracture? It's congenital muscular torticollis. How does right-sided torticollis present? Lateral flexion to the right, rotation of chin to the left. What cranial deformity is associated with untreated torticollis? It's plagiocephaly. What condition features multiple congenital joint contractures? It is arthrogryposis multiplex congenita, AMC, arthrogryposis multiplex congenita. Question 75. What genetic disorder results in brittle bones prone to fractures? It is osteogenesis imperfecta. What handling is critical for an infant with osteogenesis imperfecta? It is gentle, diffuse handling, no pulling or rotational forces. Gentle handling होगी, pulling or rotational forces नहीं होंगी. What is the medical name for clubfoot? It is Talipes equinovarus. What four deformities define Talipes equinovarus? Cave. It is cavus, adduction, varus, equinus. Cavus, adduction, varus, equinus. What is the gold standard conservation correction for club foot? It is the Ponseti method serial casting. What test detect developmental dysplasia of hip DDH? It is Badlow and Ortolani test which detects the dysplasia of the hip, developmental dysplasia of the hip. Badlow and Ortolani test. Which tool measures change in gross motor function in CP over time? It is gross motor function measure. What tool assesses fine gross motor skills from birth up to 5 years? It is T-body developmental motor scales, PDMS2. What test evaluates high-level motor skills in ages 4 to 21? It is Bronin's Ozzereski test of motor proficiency, BOT2. What questionnaire screens infants across 5 developmental domains? It is Ages and Stages Questionnaires, ASQ3. What does the acronym IEP stand for in special education? It is Individualized Education Program. Under IDEA, what does LRE stand for? It is least restrictive environment. What is the difference between IDEA Part C and Part B? Part C, birth to 3 years. Part B, 3 to 21 years. Which PT model integrates therapy into the school routine? It is the educational school-based physical therapy model. What document guides intervention from birth to 3 years? It's Individualized Family Service Plan IFSP. What are AFOs prescribed for? Why are AFOs prescribed for spastic diplegic CP? To control plantar flexion, prevent foot drop, and equinus contractures. What brace is indicated if knee control is lacking but hip flexion is intact? It is knee, ankle, foot, or orthosis. What style of walker encourages an erect posture in pediatrics? It is posterior reverse wheeled walker. What is a crouch gait in CP? Excessive hip flexion, knee flexion, and ankle dorsiflexion. What muscle group is overstretched and weak in crouch gait? Quadriceps is overstretched whereas soleus is weak. What is toe walking common in? It is spastic CP, idiopathic toe walking, and autism. What intervention restrains the unaffected limb to force use of the hemiplegic limb? It is constrained induced movement therapy CIMT. What modality uses horse movement to improve balance and strength? It is the hippotherapy. What does the NDT approach emphasize? Handling via key points of control to facilitate normal movement. What is tummy time emphasized for infants? Why is tummy time emphasized for infants? To develop spinal cervical extensor strength and prevent plagiocephaly. What is the primary PT goal in specific education setting? Maximize functional mobility and independent school access. दिस इज पार्ट टू क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज़्यादा है इसलिए एक्सप्लेनेशंस बिल्कुल नहीं हम जा सकते वरना आपके क्वेश्चंस बहुत कम हो जाएंगे मैंने मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस आपको प्रोवाइड कर दिए हैं इंशाल्लाह इससे आपकी थ्योरी बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी आप इन्हें याद कर लें क्वेश्चन जो है अब नेक्स्ट है मोस्ट कॉमन फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी इन स्पेशल एजुकेशन इट इज द सीपी सिस्टम यूज्ड टू कैटेगराइज फंक्शनल सेवेरिटी ऑफ सीपी ये अभी भी बताया मैंने आपको ग्रॉस मोटर फंक्शन क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय वेलोसिटी डिपेंडेंट इंक्रीज इन टोन इट इज spasticity CP type with involuntary writhing movements ये भी अभी हमने किया है it is ethetoid CP Bobath focus for special needs children NDT and Bobath are same it is inhibiting abnormal patterns and facilitating movements neurodevelopment techniques Standard ratio for safe wheelchair ramp. It is 1:12 slope ratio. ये याद रखनी है व्हीलचेयर की जो आपकी व्हीलचेयर रैंप है उसकी कितनी होनी चाहिए 1:12 slope ratio. Primary orthotic for foot drop in schools. It is ankle foot orthosis. Document containing PT goals in school settings. It is IEP, Individualized Education Program. The saving reaction when a child reaches out. It is called protective extension. Medical sign for proximal hip weakness in DMD. It is Gower sign. Preferred sitting posture for a child with tight adductors. It is Taylor sitting or crisscross sitting. Trisomy 21 condition with hypotonia अभी किए हमने. It is Down syndrome. Square form of spina bifida with exposed nerve. एक्सपोज का वर्ड हमेशा आपका माइलोमेनिंजियोस सी में इंडिकेट होता है ये भी हमने अभी किया स्टैंडर्ड टूल फॉर ग्रेडिंग मसल स्पास्टिसिटी इट इज मॉडिफाइड एशवर्थ स्केल persistent reflex preventing rolling या midline work It is asymmetrical tonic neck reflex ATNR. Level of GMFCS where a child needs a power wheelchair. It is grade 5 अभी पढ़ा है. Key features of Erb's palsy posture. Erb's में मैंने आपको बताया था वेटर टिप डिफॉर्मिटी का वर्ड याद रखना है. C5 C6 इसमें क्या होती है, नर्व रूट इन्वॉल्व होती है. मसल ग्रुप टारगेटेड इन टॉर्टिकोलिस राइट साइड के ऊपर. इट इज लेफ्ट स्टर्नोक्लीडो. अगर राइट साइड के ऊपर हमने कौन सा टारगेट करना है, लेफ्ट स्टर्नोक्लीडोमास्टॉइड की स्ट्रेचिंग एंड राइट एससीएम की स्ट्रेंथनिंग. याद रख लीजिएगा, अगर राइट साइड है तो राइट साइड एससीएम की आप करवा दें, क्या कहते हैं, स्ट्रेंथनिंग, और लेफ्ट की ऑपोजिट की स्ट्रेचिंग. एज व्हेन मोस्ट चिल्ड्रन अचीव इंडिपेंडेंट वॉकिंग, ये अभी हमने किया, दैट इज 12 to 15 months या फिर 18 भी जा सकता है. टेस्ट यूज टू असेस बैलेंस इन पीडियाट्रिक पॉपुलेशंस. It is Pediatric Burke Balance Scale. Federal body governing special education in Pakistan. It is the Directorate Journal of Special Education, DGSE. Constitutional article for free compulsory education. It is 25 article 25A. Framework for disability rights ratified in 2011. They are UNCRPD. This is United Nations Convention of Right of Person with Disabilities. Government mandate for hiring person with disabilities in public jobs. इसमें कोटा कितना है, 3 to 5% disability quota. Agency that issues special person CNICs. It is NADRA. प्रोविंस स्पेसिफिक डिसेबिलिटी एक्ट पास इन 2020 की डेट भी याद रखें कि प्रोविंस स्पेसिफिक डिसेबिलिटी एक्ट कब पास हुए थे, 2022 में. और हमने ये वाला भी याद रखिएगा कि यूनाइटेड नेशन का हमने जो चार्टर पास किया है, कन्वेंशन जो हमने रेटिफाई किया है, वो हमने किया है 2011 में. प्रोविंस स्पेसिफिक डिसेबिलिटी एक्ट पास इन 2022, और वो कौन सा था, पंजाब एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटीज एक्ट. मॉडल फोकसिंग ऑन रिहैबिलिटेशन विद इन कम्युनिटीज. It is CBR, community-based rehabilitation model where children attend regular school classes. It is inclusive education authority that issues a disability certificate. Authority that issues the disability certificate. It is Social Welfare Department or CMD. Administrative body for special education in Punjab. It is SED, Special Education Department, Punjab. FPSC exam PS17 post falls under which ministry? Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training. Social model of disability emphasizes what? Societal barriers rather than individual impairment. What is the medical model focus? Curing or fixing the specific physical ailment. Key document for international disability classification. It is the ICF, International Classification of Functioning. Definition of habilitation. It is learning new skills never previously possessed versus rehabilitation. Rehabilitation में जो पहले आपके पास होती हैं skills, उसको relearn किया जाता है, इसके अंदर new skills को learn किया जाता है. Best treatment for adhesive capsulitis. ये हमने पढ़ा है. Maintenance joint mobilization and heat. Primary focus for Parkinson's rehabilitation. That is big movement, LSV, Lee Silverman, voice technique, balance and rhythm करवाया जाता है. Condition requiring night sprints and shock wave. ये भी मैंने आपको करवाया. Plantar fasciitis, acute ankle initial management. That is price protection, wrist, ice compression, elevation, standard maneuver for treating BPPV. It is Apley maneuver, ये भी करा चुकी हूँ. Target muscle for patellofemoral pain syndrome. It is VMO, vastus medialis oblique, gait compensation for a stiff knee joint. It's circumdictory gait, painful arc range for supraspinatus tendinitis. It is 60 to 120 degree of abduction. स्पेशल टेस्ट फॉर डी क्वेवेंटिनोसाइनोवाइटिस, ये भी मैंने आपको टेस्ट करवाए हैं. दैट इज फिंकलस्टीन्स टेस्ट. गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड टेस्ट फॉर ACL टीयर डायग्नोसिस. फिजिकल एग्जाम ही हम करेंगे इसमें. That is Lachman test. Common nerve compressed in CTS. बार बार बता चुकी हूँ. Median nerve. Nerve root tested by patellar reflex. It is the L4. Patellar reflex में जो nerve root test की जाती है, that is L4. Condition involving inflammation of tibial tuberosity. It is Osgood-Schlatter disease. First line exercise for lumbar spinal stenosis. It is flexion-based exercises. Type of joint at the hip and shoulder. It is ball and socket joint. Current for Bell's palsy facial stimulation. It is the interrupted galvanic current. Frequency range for gate control tens, that is 80 to 120 or 80 to 150 Hertz. Primary neurotransmitter depleted in Parkinson. It's dopamine. Scale used for common depth assessment. It's Glasgow Coma scale. Brown-Séquard syndrome involves what? It's Hemichord-Lyon ipsilateral motor loss. Upper motor neuron sign. It's Lyon sign, that is Babinski sign or hyperreflexia. Muscle weakness pattern in Guillain-Barré syndrome. It's symmetrical ascending paralysis. Most common site for a stroke. Middle cerebral artery है. Therapy using mirrors for phantom limb pain. It is mirror box therapy. Contraindication for short wave diathermy. It is metal implants or pacemakers. Service model है, उससे related questions हैं. Which service delivery model is characterized by distinct discipline specific goals where professionals work in silos with minimal communication. Work in silos से मुराद ये है कि मतलब कि अपने ही डिपार्टमेंट में अलहदा से काम करते हैं और किसी की नहीं होती इसमें इंटरवेंशंस वगैरह और मिनिमल कम्युनिकेशंस होती हैं. तो इस तरीके से कौन सी डिलीवरी मॉडल होता है जिसके अंदर स्पेसिफिक गोल्स होते हैं और कम्युनिकेशंस कम होती हैं. ये मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी मॉडल होता है. ऐसा मॉडल in which model do team members from different disciplines collaborate, share information and write joint goals but execute interventions separately. कौन सा मॉडल है जिसके अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन भी शेयर हो जाएगी, गोल्स भी हो जाएंगे, कोलैबोरेट भी हो जाएगा, लेकिन जो अपनी इंटरवेंशन है वो सेपरेटली वो करेंगे एग्जीक्यूट. करेक्ट आंसर है आपका इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी मॉडल. What is defining feature of transdisciplinary model in a special education setting? It is the role sharing या role release where one primary service provider implements a plan designed by multiple discipline. एक ही सर्विस प्रोवाइडर होगा प्राइमरी जो इम्प्लीमेंट करेगा प्लान जो कि डिजाइन किया जाएगा मल्टीपल डिसिप्लिन के. ये आपने याद रखना है ट्रांस डिसिप्लिनरी मॉडल के बारे में. If a PT teaches a special education teacher how to position a child with spastic quadriparesis during class, what model of service delivery is being utilized? अगर एक PT जो है स्पेशल एजुकेशन टीचर को बता रहा है कि बच्चे को किस तरीके से बिठाना है एक स्पास्टिक बच्चे को, तो ये कौन सा मॉडल ऑफ सर्विस है जो डिलीवर किया जा रहा है, यूटिलाइज किया जा रहा है? It is actually indirect or consultative service delivery model. Indirect model आ जाता है वो भी ठीक है, consultative service delivery model आता है वो भी ठीक है. What is the primary focus of social model of disability compared to the medical model? It views disability as a mismatch between the person and their environment, shifting focus toward removing societal barriers. मेडिकल मॉडल में हमें पता होता है कि भाई एक बीमारी है, एक बैरियर्स हैं, हम उसे एक्सेप्ट कर रहे होते हैं, जबकि सोशल मॉडल ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी में हमें पता है सोसाइटल बैरियर्स को हमने रिमूव करना है. मतलब हमने इन्वायरमेंट पता है कि इन्वायरमेंट ही हमारे जो डिसेबल्ड लोग हैं उनके लिए मिसमैच है, तो हमने इन्वायरमेंट को ठीक करना है. तो सोशल मॉडल डिसेबिलिटी को अकोमोडेट करते हैं कि डिसेबल लोगों को उनका इन्वायरमेंट ठीक करके अकोमोडेट किया जाए सोसाइटी के अंदर. अंडर द WHO ICF फ्रेमवर्क, अ कॉन्ट्रैक्चर ऑफ एचलिस टेंडन इन अ चाइल्ड विद सेरेब्रल पाल्सी इज क्लासिफाइड अंडर व्हिच डोमेन? ये WHO ICF फ्रेमवर्क है. अब हुआ क्या है, कॉन्ट्रैक्चर है एचलिस टेंडन का एक चाइल्ड के अंदर जो CP के साथ था. अब इसको किस तरीके से क्लासिफाई किया जाएगा? अंडर दिस डोमेन. अंडर व्हिच डोमेन इट विल बी क्लासिफाइड? बॉडी फंक्शंस एंड स्ट्रक्चर्स इम्पेयरमेंट के अंडर इस चीज को क्लासिफाई किया जाएगा. Under the ICF framework, a child with Down syndrome who faces difficulty writing due to poor fine motor skills experiencing what? It is experiencing activity limitation. A child with autism who is unable to attend a mainstream neighborhood school due to lack of accessible infrastructure is facing what under the ICF. ICF फ्रेमवर्क मॉडल है, वो इन चीज़ों को एक्सप्लेन करता है, इसलिए बार बार लिखा हुआ है अंडर द ICF, यानी कि उसके अकॉर्डिंग एक रेफरेंस लेना आपने. पार्टिसिपेशन रिस्ट्रिक्शन आ रही है. What is the core philosophy behind community based rehabilitation? CBR के पीछे क्या core philosophy है? It is utilizing local resources, community involvement, and decentralization to ensure social integration and equalization of opportunities. इस वक्त याद रखना है आपने कि local resources का इस्तेमाल किया जाए, पूरी community को involve किया जाए और चीज़ों को सब में बांटा जाए. Decentralization के यानी एक चीज़ को चाहे पावर है, मनी है, रिसोर्सेज है, सबको मतलब कि लोएस्ट लेवल तक डिवॉल्व किया जाए, दिया जाए, ताकि जो आपकी पूरी सोशल इंटीग्रेशन यानी लोग आपस में कोलैबोरेट करें, इकट्ठे होकर रह सके और इक्वलाइज मतलब उनके पास इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी हों. Which model of PT service delivery involves direct face-to-face hands-on therapeutic intervention with the student? कौन सा मॉडल पीटी सर्विस का होता है डिलीवरी का जो इन्वॉल्व करता है डायरेक्ट फेस टू फेस हैंड्स ऑन थेरेप्यूटिक इंटरवेंशन विद द स्टूडेंट? इट इज ए डायरेक्ट सर्विस डिलीवरी मॉडल. What model focuses on? अच्छा आपने याद रखना, इनडायरेक्ट में हमने टीचर को बताया था, डायरेक्ट में हमने फेस टू फेस खुद बात की है. What models focuses on adapting the physical environment, curriculum or tasks rather than changing the intrinsic skills of the child? It is the environmental adaptation model. In a school setup, who constitutes the core team in an integrated service delivery model? The student, parents, special educator, physical therapist, occupational therapist, and speech language pathologist, they are the core team of an integrated service delivery model. What is the primary drawback of medical model when applied within a special education system? अगर हम सिर्फ medical model को लगाते हैं तो special education system में इसके क्या नुकसान देखने को मिलते हैं? It pathologizes the condition and focuses strictly on fixing deficits rather than functional adaptation in the classroom. हमेशा मेडिकल मॉडल क्या करेगा, एक पैथोलॉजी है, एक डिजीज है, उसको फिक्स करने की कोशिश करेंगे, उसको रिकवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे, ना कि उसको उसी इन्वायरमेंट में अडेप्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. फंक्शनल अडेप्टेशन नहीं होती, सिर्फ फिक्सिंग होती है उसकी पैथोलॉजी की, डिजीज की या जो भी प्रॉब्लम होती है. What service delivery model is explicitly designed to support toddlers 0 से 3 years तक within their natural environments? It is the family-centered early intervention model. What is the main objective of family-centered care model in pediatric physical therapy? It is empowering parents as key decision makers and recognizing the family as a constant in the child's life. What type of consultation involves a PT providing expert advice regarding school-wide accessibility and universal design? It is a system-level or administrative consultation. In the context of assistive technology delivery, what does the SATT framework stand for? It is the student, environment, task, and tool framework. What model emphasizes teaching functional skills in the exact environment where they will naturally be used? It is the ecological or context therapy model. When a PT works alongside a special educator directly inside the classroom during a lesson, this is known as what? It is push-in service delivery. What is the opposite of push-in service where a child is taken out of the classroom to a dedicated therapy room? It is the pull-out service delivery. Which framework categorizes contextual factors into environmental and personal factors? The ICF International Classification of Functioning, Disability and Health. ये contextualize करते हैं factors को into environmental and personal factors. What strategy involves a PT gradually withdrawing direct support as the school staff becomes competent in managing a child's positioning? It is fading of services. What model relies on peer-to-peer interactions to facilitate mobility and social play among children with special needs? It is peer-mediated intervention model. Which service delivery model is best suited for low resource settings where professional therapists are scarce? Scarce matlab kam hai. It is the task shifting या community based rehabilitation model. What is the main goal of vocational rehabilitation models for adolescents in specific special education? It is transitioning from school-based dependency to economic independence and employment capability. What model forms the basis of pediatric physical therapy interventions aimed with modifying the nervous system through repetitive task-specific practice? It is neuroplasticity motor learning model. What does the least restrictive environment mandate imply for PT service delivery? Services should be provided within the mainstream educational setting alongside typically developing peers as much as possible. What model bridges the gap between acute medical discharge and integrated school placement? It is transitional care model. In the biopsychosocial model, health outcomes are determined by interactions of which three components? Bio है, psycho है, social है. That is biological variables, psychological factors, and social conditions. What service delivery approach explicitly focuses on the child's strengths rather than their deficits? It is the asset-based or strength-based approach. What legal administrative document in a special education outlines a student's current functional level, yearly goals, and required PT services? It is the Individualized Education Program, IEP. Who has the ultimate legal authority to consent to or reject the PT goals proposed in an IEP? It is the child's parents or legal guardians. How often must a student's IEP be formally reviewed and updated? At least once annually, साल में एक बार. What is the key difference between an IEP and IFSP, Individualized Family Service Plan, और IEP में क्या फर्क है? And IFSP focuses on infants, toddlers जो कि 0 से 3 साल के लिए यानी कि जो भी पैदा हुए हैं और 3 साल तक जाएंगे, and emphasizes family outcomes, while IEP focuses on school age children 3 से 21 साल तक and educational outcomes. What determines whether a physical therapy goal is appropriate for inclusion in a school-based IEP? It is the goal must be educationally relevant, that is, it directly impacts the student's ability to participate in school activities. What terminology describes architectural design that allows buildings and environments to be environments to be usable by all people without adaptation? The terminology is universal design. What is the standard recommended ramp slope ratio for a wheelchair accessibility in public and educational buildings? मैंने आपको भी करवा दिया है. That is 1:12, 1 inch for rise for every 12 inches of run. 1 inch का rise होगा हर 12 inches run के ऊपर. What type of assistive technology requires no power source and includes items like adaptive pencils or simple prone boards? It is a low technology assistive devices. For a child with severe ethetoid movements, what modification to a computer setup is highly recommended for a schoolwork? It is a key guard over an expanded keyboard or eye gaze tracking systems. What is the primary therapeutic purpose of a standing frame for a non-ambulatory child with cerebral palsy in a classroom? Non-ambulatory, जो कि move नहीं कर पा रहा. To promote bone mineral density, prevent contractures, improve bowel bladder function, and allow eye-level social interaction, primary therapeutic, the standard is necessary. How many hours of daily weight bearing in a standing frame are typically recommended to maintain hip regular development and bone density? It is 60 to 90 minutes daily. What is primary function of posterior walker, that is reverse walker, compared to an anterior walker in pediatric gait training? It encourages a more upright posture, increases hip extension and improves stride लेंथ. ये पोस्टीरियर वॉकर के जो हैं बेनिफिट्स हैं कि वो इंकरेज करता है अपराइट पोस्चर को, इंक्रीज करता है हिप एक्सटेंशन को और स्ट्राइड लेंथ को इम्प्रूव करता है. For a child with severe hip adductor spasticity, which is Seizing gait, what feature should be added to their adaptive seating? An abductor wedge को ऐड किया जाए जिसे पोमेल भी कहते हैं. What adaptive seating modification prevents a child with low truncal tone from sliding forward out of wheelchair? It is a pelvic stabilizer belt angled at 45 to 60 degrees to a seat plane. What is the purpose of tilt-in space wheelchair for a student with profound generalized spastic quadriparesis? The purpose is pressure relief, gravity-assisted postural control, management of orthostatic hypertension without changing the hip-knee angles. What adaptation should a school PT recommend for a child who presents with a persistent symmetric tonic neck reflex when looking down at their desk? A slanted sloped desk surface to keep the head elevated. What type of orthosis is most commonly prescribed to control mediolateral ankle instability in a child with hypotonic Down syndrome? It is supramalleolar orthosis, SMO. What is the therapeutic rationale for using an ankle foot orthosis with a plantar flexion stop in a child with spastic diplegia? It is to prevent toe walking, control knee hyperextension, which is the recovetum during the stance phase, and facilitate heel strike. What is the main objective of a PT environmental assessment in a special education school? To identify and eliminate barriers to evacuation, mobility, cafeteria access, and toileting. What document guides the transition of a special education student from a school environment to higher education or community life? It is Individualized Transition Plan, ITP. What type of CP is characterized by velocity-dependent increases in muscle tone and hyperreflexia? It is spastic CP. Damage to which specific area of the brain results in ethetoid CP? ये हम कर चुके हैं. It's basal ganglia. What clinical sign is characterized by rapid, involuntary, jerky, dysrhythmia movements commonly seen in dyskinetic conditions? It is the chorea. A child with spastic diplegia typically presents with primary motor involvement of which part of the body? It is the lower extremities are significantly more involved than upper extremities. What gait pattern is typically observed in a child with spastic diplegia due to overactivity of hip adductors, internal rotators, and knee flexors? It is the Caesar gait or crouch gait. At what level of the gross motor function classification system does a child require a wheeled mobility device for all community settings? ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. That is the level 4 और 5. अगर 5 ऑप्शन है तो 5 को आप टिक करेंगे, 5 नहीं है तो 4 को करेंगे, और दोनों ऑप्शन है तो दोनों लगा सकते हैं. A child who can walk indoors and outdoors on level surfaces without an assistive devices but struggles on uneven terrain belongs to which GMFCS level? It is level 2 क्योंकि level 1 में सिर्फ speed limit थी. What is the gold standard neurodevelopmental examination technique used to predict CP in high-risk infants? It is GMA, General Movement Assessment. What primitive reflex, if it persists past 6 months of age, significantly interferes with child's ability to roll and reach across the midline? Repeat हो रहा है आपका. It is ATNR, asymmetric tonic neck reflex. In Down syndrome, generalized musculoskeletal ligamentous laxity increases the risk of which catastrophic neurological condition? It is atlantoaxial instability. Before clearing a child with Down syndrome for trampoline or contact sports in special education, what screening must be performed? Cervical spine radiographs, जहाँ पे flexion extension views होते हैं to view the atlantodense interval. What type of tone profile is universally seen in newborns with Down syndrome? It is hypotonia floppy infant. What genetic progressive neuromuscular disorder is characterized by a lack of protein dystrophin leading to muscle wasting? ये भी पढ़ा है. Duchenne muscular dystrophy. What classical clinical sign is observed when a child with DMD uses their hands to climb up their own legs to transition from supine to standing? ये भी कर चुके हैं. Gower sign. Why are aggressive eccentric strengthening exercises strictly contraindicated in children diagnosed with Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Eccentric contraction causes high mechanical stress that accelerates dystrophin deficient sarcolemma damage and muscle necrosis. What is the primary physical therapy management goal for a 9-year-old child with DMD who is starting to lose independent ambulation? मेंटेनिंग रेंज ऑफ मोशन. आप क्या करेंगे इनमें? हमारी जो मैनेजमेंट होगी, हमने रेंज ऑफ मोशन को प्रिवेंट करना है और पावर मोबिलिटी को हमने इसमें वापस लेके आना है. प्रिवेंट करने हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्चर्स आईटी बैंड के, हिप फ्लेक्सर्स के और गैस्ट्रोकेनीमियस के. What neural tube defect is characterized by an external sac opening, meninges, cerebrospinal fluid, and spinal cord elements? It's myelomeningeal spina bifida operta. What secondary neurological complication is highly associated with spina bifida requiring immediate shunting? It is hydrocephalus. A child with spina bifida lesion at the L4 level will typically present with weakness or absence of which lower limb movement? It is the ankle plantar flexion and knee flexion. L5 से S1 तक होती है, but they will retain knee extension क्योंकि वो L2 से L4 तक होती है. Why must a PT carefully monitor a child with spina bifida during physical education for signs like headache, vomiting, lethargy, or changes in gait? These are classic signs of ventriculoperitoneal shunt malfunction या blockage, इसलिए हमें देखना पड़ता है इन signs को. What orthopedic deformity of the foot is most common in infants born with myelomeningeal? Talipes equinovarus, which is clubfoot जो है, ये orthopedic deformity common है. What is the primary sensory processing challenge commonly seen in children on the autism spectrum ASD during physical therapy? It is the sensory hyperreactivity or hyporeactivity to tactile, auditory, or vestibular inputs. What neurodevelopmental condition is characterized by significant impairment in motor condition that markedly interferes with academic achievement or activities of daily living without any known medical or neurological cause? It is the developmental coordination disorder or dyspraxia. Which physical therapeutic strategy involves restricting the unaffected limb to force the use of impaired upper extremity? It is the constraint-induced movement therapy. What type of therapeutic approach utilizes horse riding movement to improve balance, core stability, and pelvic alignment in special education students? ये repeat हुआ hypotherapy. What condition is characterized by multiple congenital joint contractures caused by prolonged intrauterine mobility? It is the arthrogryposis multiplex congenita, AMC. For a child with osteogenesis imperfecta, what is the cornerstone precaution during physical therapy, handling, and transfer? It is avoiding any rotational torsional forces on long bones to prevent pathological fractures. What handling technique involves placing manual pressure over key points of control like head, shoulder, pelvis to inhibit abnormal tone and facilitate normal movement patterns? The technique is neurodevelopmental treatment or Bobath approach. What is definition of spastic catch during manual passive stretching? A sudden resistance or stop felt at a specific point in range of motion during a quick passive stretch followed by a release. What is a specific clinical term for a permanent shortening of a muscle or joint tendon that leads to fixed deformity? It is a contracture. What clinical test is used to assess fixed flexion deformity of the hip joint? It is Thomas test. How do you perform the Duncan Elite test to assess the rectus femoris spasticity? The patient lies prone, the therapist rapidly flexes the knee, and a positive sign is indicated if the pelvis spontaneously lifts, flexes off the table. What muscle group is evaluated for a contracture using the Tadway scale by comparing R1 angle of catch at fast speed and R2 full passive range of motion at slow speed? It is the any spastic muscle group. Commonly हम gastrocnemius और hamstring को टेस्ट करते हैं. What type of hydrotherapy program is widely utilized for children with juvenile idiopathic arthritis to minimize joint stress during exercise? It is aquatic physical therapy or Helwig concept. What reflex is stimulated by tipping the child's body forward, backward, or sideways, resulting in the protective extension of the limbs to prevent a fall? ये repeated है, ये आपका parachute reflex है, protective extension. If a child with cerebral palsy exhibits persistent obligatory tonic labyrinthine reflex TLR in supine, what body posture dominates? Generalized extensor tone dominates, making it difficult to flex the neck or bring hands to midline. What is the primary clinical feature of juvenile idiopathic arthritis that guides PT intervention selection during an acute flare-up? It is a joint inflammation, pain, swelling, requiring gentle isometric exercises and splinting instead of aggressive stretching. What condition involves a progressive lateral curvature of the spine commonly screened for in special education centers during adolescence? It is scoliosis. What objective measurement tool is used during the Adams forward bend test to quantify the trunk rotation angle in scoliosis? It is scoliometer. In pediatric physical therapy, what type of motor learning practice schedule is characterized by repetitive practice of a single task over and over before moving to another task? It is a blocked practice. Which standardized outcome measure is specifically designed and validated to evaluate changes in gross motor function over time in children with CP? It is gross motor function measure GMF 88 or GMFM 66. What clinical scale is used to grade muscle spasticity from 0, which is no increase in tone, to 4, affected part rigid inflection or extension? This is modified Ashworth scale. What scale differentiates itself from modified Ashworth scale by taking into account velocity-dependent resistance? It is the Tadeu scale. What standardized test evaluates both gross and fine motor skills in children from birth through 5 years of age and is widely used to qualify children for early intervention services? It is the Peabody Developmental Motor Scale, PDMS-2. What comprehensive norm referenced instrument is used to assess motor proficiency in school-age children and adolescents like 4 to 21 years, covering balance, coordination, and strength? It is the Bronings-Oziereski test of motor proficiency, BOT2. What evaluative tool uses a questionnaire format to assess children's functional capabilities and performance in self-care, mobility, and social function domains? It is the Pediatric Evaluation of Disability Inventory, PEDIPD. What screening test is used to detect potential developmental delays in children from birth to 6 years across personal, social, fine motor, adaptive, language, and gross motor domains? It is Denver Developmental Screening Test, DDST, Denver 2. What specific index measures the energy expenditure and physiological cost of walking in children with physical disabilities? It is Physiological Cost Index, PCI. What functional test measures the distance a child can self-propel or walk within a set time frame to evaluate cardiorespiratory endurance? It is a 6-minute walk test. Which standardized tool evaluates a child participation and level of enjoyment in formal and informal out-of-school activities? It is the Children Assessment of Participation and Enjoyment. ये आपके क्वेश्चंस मैंने 100 ये भी कवर कर दिए हैं. आई नो कि मैंने इसमें एक्सप्लेनेशंस नहीं की हैं, लेकिन इस वक्त के लिए आप याद कर लें. 2 दिन में आपके टेस्ट के लिए रह गए हैं. इंशाल्लाह आगे कोई इस तरह की स्पेशल एजुकेशन का टेस्ट आएगा तो इनको मैं डिटेल से आपको प्रोवाइड करूंगी। अभी के लिए कोशिश करें मैक्सिमम जितना आप याद कर सकते हैं वो याद कर लें। तो ये मैंने आपकी सीरीज मुकम्मल कर दी है, आपको क्वेश्चंस का आइडिया भी हो गया। इसके बाद मैं आपको एक गेस्ट पेपर दूंगी कि बाज़ बच्चे कहते हैं कि इतना ईजी एफपीएससी का पेपर तो नहीं होता जितना आप बनाती हैं। दरअसल एफपीएससी का पेपर कभी ना मुश्किल होता है ना कभी आसान होगा। ये हमेशा एफपीएससी फेडरल हमेशा कंसेप्चुअल पेपर देती है और बैलेंस्ड पेपर देती है, मतलब ना बहुत मुश्किल ना बहुत आसान होगा। एक बैलेंस्ड पेपर होगा लेकिन कंसेप्चुअल पेपर होगा। इसमें मैं आपको जो गेस्ट पेपर दूंगी आइडिया हो जाएगा। मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगी इस बार गेस्ट पेपर मैं उसी पैटर्न से बनाऊं। मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि डायरेक्ट आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी जाए, लेकिन अगर आप वैसे प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं वो नेक्स्ट गेस्ट पेपर को जरूर देख लीजिएगा। आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि क्वेश्चन लेंथी भी हो सकते हैं, कि लंबी लंबी लाइंस लिखी होती हैं और बाजुका बिल्कुल टू द पॉइंट भी होती है। लेकिन एक बैलेंस्ड पेपर होगा, ना बहुत आसान होगा ना बहुत मुश्किल होगा। उसके लिए आप प्रिपेयर्ड रहें, इंशाल्लाह आपकी इससे चीज़ें कवर हो जाएंगी। तो अल्लाह हाफ़िज़ एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक।